Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw blog drafts from Jasper into Google Docs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Jasper dashboard. Log into your Jasper account using your credentials. Once on the dashboard, locate the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Templates option to access your blog drafts. In the Templates section, you'll see various options available. Select the specific blog draft you wish to withdraw. Open the chosen blog draft by clicking on its title. Review the content to ensure it is ready for export. Highlight all the text within the draft. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the context menu. Now, open a new tab in your web browser. Navigate to Google Docs by entering the URL or using a search engine. Sign in to your Google account, if prompted. Once in Google Docs, click on the blank document option to create a new document. In the new document, right-click and select Paste to insert your copied blog draft. Check the formatting to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Make any necessary edits or adjustments within Google Docs. Your blog draft is now successfully withdrawn from Jasper and saved in Google Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.